Does Daddy have the bait? Yeah.
You already messed up. You're supposed to say, "Hey guys," or something like that. Not just.
So,
today we're gonna be fishing, and we're gonna try.
Everybody, listen. All right, listen, so I don't have to say more than one. You know how to do this part, right?
Read.
Who farted?
During video, Lila says she farted and nearly poked me in the eye with her fishing pole. Got one. Turn it. You got one, Marquise?
If you're gonna cast, I want you to cast it for me.
Here, let me cast it now. And then.
Leo, not Noah.
Oh, for Leo?
Keep it still.
Let's see it, Marquise. Ooh, good job.
Good one, too.
Oh, that's a good size.
Like a big fish.
Huh?
Mom, you intro. You say,
Noah with his first catch on the first cast. Here goes Leo's with his technical difficulties, and he still got it.
Hey, where's the stringer? Dang, Noah, what did you get?
Put it on there. No, not you. He Paul do it.
No, I showed you how to do it a while ago, didn't I? Yeah, you can do it. Then we got to push it hard. Good, get him.
Oh, you're gonna have a lot of skinning to do.
Me, the one that catches the most don't have to clean.
Yeah, but you're the one who caught the most already.
I know, but